Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer iCloud photos to Google Photos, follow these step-by-step instructions to move your photo library. Step 1. Download the Google Photos app from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad if you haven't already. Step 2. Open Google Photos and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Step 3. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Photo Settings from the menu. Step 4. Tap Backup and Sync and toggle it on to enable automatic uploading of photos from your device to Google Photos. Step 5. Choose your upload quality. High quality provides free unlimited storage with slight compression, while original quality uses your Google Drive storage. Step 6. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data. Google Photos will begin uploading all photos from your device automatically. Step 7. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take several hours depending on how many photos you have. Keep the Google Photos app open and your phone charged. Step 8. Once complete, verify your photos are in Google Photos by browsing your library. You can now access them from any device by logging into photos.google.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.